Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic, 12 signs that your liver might be in trouble. Now, I know what you're thinking. My liver? What's up with that? Well, let me tell you, your liver is like a superhero inside your body, and it's super important to keep it happy and healthy. But sometimes it can get a bit overwhelming, especially if we're not treating it right. And guess what? It's not just about drinking too much soda or eating too many sweets. There are other sneaky things that can make your liver say, "Help!" So in this video, we're going to explore all these signs that might mean your liver needs some extra love. We'll talk about everything from the color of your poop, yep, we're going there, to how well you can see in the dark. Plus, we'll share some awesome tips on how to help your liver heal itself. That's right. Your liver has this amazing ability to fix itself, but sometimes it needs a little help from us. We'll also dive into some cool home remedies and diet changes that can make a big difference. And don't worry, we're not just talking about eating a bunch of boring foods. We've got some tasty and fun ideas that your liver and your taste buds will love. So grab a snack, a liver-friendly one, of course, get comfy, and let's get started on this journey to understanding our livers better. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be a liver expert and your body will thank you for it. Let's go! Now, the first sign to watch out for is having pale poop when you hit the bathroom. Normally, your liver releases these bile acids to help break down fats in your food, giving your poop that typical brown color. But if you're dealing with fatty liver disease or liver damage, this bile flow can get messed up, leaving you with lighter or clay-colored stools. In some cases, your poop might even float because of undigested fat, making it kind of buoyant. Sign number 2 is struggling with night vision, especially in the dark. If you're finding it hard to see well in low-light conditions, especially at night, it could be because your body's low on retinol or vitamin A. Your liver helps you soak up vitamin A, which is super important for the cells in your eyes to adjust to different light levels. Liver problems can mess this up, leaving you with poor night vision. This might also be a hint of a congested gallbladder, especially if your eyes are feeling dry, irritated, and gritty. The third sign is a swollen right foot. When your liver's blood flow isn't up to snuff, it can lead to your liver getting bigger, and that puts pressure on. You'll notice if you press on the swollen area, it might leave a dent. If your right foot or ankle is puffier than the left one, that's a common sign that your liver might be taking a hit. We'll get into some natural fixes to boost your liver function later in the video. Sign number 4 is getting these small white or yellowish growths around your eyelids. These little collections of cholesterol deposits form under your skin when your liver can't break down cholesterol like it should, causing it to build up in different parts of your bod. Sign number 5, you might feel some pressure or discomfort on your right side, especially after you've eaten. Liver damage can make your bile thick and sludgy, which can clog up the tubes connecting to your gallbladder, causing that uneasy feeling around your ribs. It could also mess with your phrenic nerve, leading to muscle tension and pain around your right shoulder. Sign number 6, you could spot some purple and red spots. When your liver's clogged, inflamed, or not doing so hot, it makes fewer proteins needed for your blood to clot right. So you might bruise more easily, and sometimes you'll see these weird purple or red bumps that look kind of like a rash on your skin, along with small red patches. Usually, this happens on your lower legs or arms because your liver's not circulating blood like it should, and it might be tied to liver disease or even diabetes. Now, let's move on to sign number 7, cracked heels. Your skin needs vitamin B3, also known as niacin, to stay strong, smooth, and hydrated. But if your liver's acting up, it might send all your niacin to fix the liver, leaving your feet's skin dry and cracked. You can fix this by upping your vitamin B3 intake and tackling the root problem, which is often fatty liver disease. Another sign of liver trouble is feeling like you gotta scratch the palms of your hands or the soles of your feet all the time. This happens because bile acids build up under your skin when your liver can't filter them right, and that makes histamines build up in your blood, causing the itch. Sign number 9, your nails might turn all white or get kind of clubbed. If your fingernails lose their natural pink color, turning completely white, or they start looking rounded or bulbous. It could be a sign of major liver damage or some other health issue. This can mess with the oxygen flow to your nails. Fun fact, back in the 1950s, researchers found that 8 out of 10 folks with serious liver scarring had totally white nails. Sign number 10, your pee might get pretty dark. Your liver helps break down old red blood cells, and they've got this yellowish pigment called bilirubin. If your liver or gallbladder's messed up, this pigment can pile up in your body and eventually end up in your pee. So, your urine might get super dark, like dark orange, amber, brown, or even cola-colored, because your liver's not handling that pigment like it should. Some meds, like antibiotics, sleeping pills, or birth control pills, can also make your pee change color by putting extra stress on your liver. Sign number 11 is yellow skin. When your liver's struggling to filter out bilirubin from your blood, it can change the color of your skin, giving it a yellowish tint. This is called jaundice, and it's a pretty clear sign that your liver's taken a beating. It could be due to stuff like hepatitis, cirrhosis, or even a bad reaction to drugs or meds. If your skin's going yellow, you gotta get yourself to a doctor ASAP. Last but not least, sign number 12 is these spider veins. They look like tiny red dots with these little veins that make them look like spiders. These blood vessels take a hit when your liver can't filter out extra estrogen, and high estrogen levels can weaken the veins, causing them to stretch out and form those spider-like veins on your skin. So, if you notice any of these signs we talked about, it's a good idea to set up a visit with your doc and maybe get an ultrasound to check things out. Now, let's talk about how to turn things around if your liver's acting up. Like I mentioned earlier, your liver goes through 4 stages of damage, starting with fat buildup, then inflammation, scar tissue, that's called fibrosis, and finally, cirrhosis, which is the worst one. But there's hope! Your liver's got this amazing superpower to heal itself, especially when you make some changes to your diet and try out some home remedies. So here are the big steps to help your liver bounce back. Step 1, clean up your diet by cutting back on sugary stuff, starchy things, and anything made with flour like bread, cookies, candy, pancakes, and soda. Your liver's not a fan of fructose, the sugar in fruit, just like it doesn't like alcohol. Step 2, get more bitter and sulfur-rich foods in your diet. Think leafy greens, artichokes, radishes, garlic, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, kale, cabbage, mushrooms, pasture-raised eggs, wild salmon, fatty fish, walnuts, onions, scallions, and broccoli sprouts. These sulfur-packed foods can help reduce the fat buildup in your liver by boosting glutathione levels and help your body detox from bad stuff. Step 3, start your day with a cup of homemade organic coffee and toss in a teaspoon of turmeric. The stuff in coffee and the special stuff in turmeric can help slow down scar tissue from forming in your liver. Plus, make sure to drink at least a liter of good mineral water throughout the day to thin out your blood. And give your liver a hand with making bile to break down all that fat. You can even squeeze some fresh lemon or lime juice in that water to help your liver do its detox thing. We've just gone through a whole bunch of signs that might mean your liver is asking for a little extra help. From the color of your poop to how well you can see at night, we've covered a lot. And remember, taking care of your liver is super important because it's like a superhero inside your body, working hard to keep you healthy. We also talked about some cool ways to help your liver out, like changing up what you eat and trying out some home remedies. These tips are not just good for your liver, but they're tasty and fun too. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. They might learn something new about their livers too. And if you liked what you saw, give us a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got loads more enlightening health tips coming your way, and you won't want to miss it. So stay tuned, keep taking care of yourself, and let's keep learning together. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Health Pros.